Welcome to Butonic Life, and today I am going to show you how to make a keto-friendly naan. Naan is a type of flatbread that is very popular across the world. Sveta, my friend, asked me if there's any way we can make a naan without using wheat flour, and the answer is yes. So Sveta, the recipe is for you. I hope you like it, so please comment below the video what you think about it, okay? I was looking for perfect recipe for keto naan, and Headbanders Kitchen stole my heart. You need to check his channel. He's providing a lot of great keto content and amazing recipes. Thank you so much for coming up with such a nice and delicious recipe. So let's get started. All the ingredients are already prepped: coconut flour, psyllium husk, baking powder, salt, and hot water. I'm going to mix all dry ingredients. It's very important to find the fiber which is white in color, so that's why I recommend this brand. Otherwise the naan will look not nice in color. Now I am going to add warm water. Be careful to not get burned. Now I'm going to use my hands to knead the dough. Okay, and I will leave it for a few minutes to sit. I am cutting into 4 pieces. Now I am going to roll the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper. Now I am going to fry on coconut oil. For about 1 minute on side. Okay, our flatbread is ready. Smells delicious, and what I love about the recipe, it's incredibly easy to make and of course tastes delicious. Let me try. Wow. You need to make it. I hope you like my video, and if you have any question or when you try the recipe, please comment below the video. I would love to hear from you, and also please subscribe to my channel and put thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.